Hi, Peter Jones, author, property investor, ex-chartered surveyor, and I thought it'd be really good to do a quick update on what's available in the mortgage market at the moment for buy-to-lets, because everything's been changing post-COVID. There's been a lot of volatility in the market. Lenders have been changing and pulling products, and they've been changing criteria. So I thought it'd be great to go to my mortgage broker and to ask my mortgage broker to provide an update as to what's available. And I specifically asked him to provide an update on what's available for limited companies, because post Section 24, Clause 24, where the government have now made it impossible to offset mortgage interest against the rent if you buy properties in your own name, most of us are now buying properties in limited companies, so it makes sense to look at limited company buy-to-let mortgages. And I also asked him to produce details of 75% loan-to-value mortgages. Now, there are mortgages with smaller loan-to-value amounts, but if you're following the model I use, I don't know why you'd want to use those. So I haven't asked him for details of 60 or 65 or 70% loan-to-values. We're looking at 75% loan-to-values. And this is what he came up with. A 2-year fixed at 3.25% with a 1% lender's fee and £299 booking fee. But it comes with a free valuation. A 1% lender's fee, by the way, is actually quite generous. What else? A 5-year fixed at 3.64% with a 2% lender's fee. Now, this can be added to the mortgage. So if you haven't got the 2% now, or if it's going to hit your cash flow, you can add that onto the mortgage. Obviously, you have to pay extra interest over the term of the mortgage to reflect that you're adding the 2% fee. But to save my cash flow, I usually add the fee to my mortgage, then I don't even have to think about it. This also comes with a free valuation, and there's also a £350 cashback, which is quite interesting. Another 5-year fixed at 4.1%, but the thing is, this comes with no lender's fee at all, and it comes with a free valuation, and it comes with a £350 cashback. So that's interesting. What you'll always find, or invariably find, is that the lenders will charge a greater fee if they're charging less in interest. So there's always that balance to work out what you're actually paying over a 20 or 25-year term. There are products available for HMOs or MUBs, multiple units, up to 75%. They're a little bit more expensive though. Brokers saying that there'll be a loading of between 0.1 and 1/4% if you're going to take out a product like this for a property which has got multiple units or it's a HMO. The lender's going to stress test these using 125% at a rate of 5.5% for the 2-year fixed, or 4% in respect of the 5-year fixed. If you're not sure what I mean by that, then there's other videos on my channel which will tell you all about that. You'll need a minimum income of £25,000, which is based on joint applicants. So it doesn't, if you earn less than £25,000, if you apply with a partner, a significant other, a business partner, then you'll be okay with that. But if income is going to be an issue, he says that he does have lenders who are offering broadly similar terms to limited companies with no income requirements. So there you go. Minimum property valuation, £75,000. Ex-local authority houses are okay. Ex-local authority flats, probably not okay, but there are other lenders with other products which he can guide you to if you're looking at something like that. If it's going to be a flat, then you want to have a term unexpired on the lease of 85 years at the time of application. And if you're worried about your age, then my mortgage broker is saying that the maximum age at the end of the term is 85, and the maximum mortgage term is 25 years. So you can apply up to the age of 60, for example, but as you go over 60, then you'll just have to apply for a shorter term. So assuming that the bank's going to want at least a 10 or 15 year term, you're probably okay up until you're about sort of 70 or 75. So there we go. If any of these are of interest, or if you want to talk to a good mortgage broker who can help you, please email me, thepropertyteacher@gmail.com, thepropertyteacher@gmail.com, and I'll put you in touch with my mortgage broker, and he'll be able to help you to raise your finance. If you found this video useful, please like, follow and subscribe, and then we can keep in touch and I can send you even more great content. And if you come over to my website, www.thepropertyteacher.co.uk, and click on Learning with Peter, You'll find loads of great resources, including my best-selling home study course, The Successful Property Investor's Strategy Workshop, in which I'll take you through how I started my property business with literally none of my own money and bought £2 million worth of property in just 4 years and replaced my day job with passive income from the portfolio. It took me 4 years of trial and error to learn the best way to do this, but because I'm going to show you everything I did right so that you can copy it, and everything I did wrong so that you can avoid it, I'm sure you can achieve far more than me and far more quickly. So please visit my website for full details of this and all of my other resources. And until next time, here's to successful property investing.